Hello everyone, this is Crystal speaking here, and today we will show you some demo videos about how to refurbish iPhone 6s LCDs. As we all know that the aftermarket LCDs are become very popular now, and the price it is much cheaper compared with original one. But there is one problem, it is that it is hard for us to control the quality of the aftermarket LCDs. So if you would like to get the original one, the quality as original one LCDs, it is better for you to refurbish by yourself. So that will be more easier for you to control the quality, and also it is very easier for you to control the cost as well. So today we will show you the details. And see here, this is a simple set. This is the first one. We call it 5-in-1 machine, which combines the glue remover, the manual LCD separation, and also base frame lamination functions together. And it will include all the modes that moves together for iPhone versions, like 4, 4S, 5 versions, 6, 6S, like that. And the second one, it is the new 3-in-1 automatic OCA film machine, which will help you to apply the OCA film or the polarizer film on LCD. And the last one, this is a new one which we just launched last week, and it will help you to do OCA vacuum lamination and also bubble removal function together. And this one, no need air compressor and no need vacuum pump, so it is very easy for you to process. And also, this machine it is with very little noise, so that will be more quiet while you do refurbish. Okay, and then this is the correct LCD for iPhone 6s. And this 5-in-1, it is with the built-in vacuum pump as well. The vacuum that is built in with this machine. Charge the flex cables while you do separation to the edge. Okay. Okay, so then we went to the second step, that is doing glue removal. While you do glue removal, the polarizer film that will be removed together with the glue. Okay. Okay, then go to the next step. It is to clean the rest of the glue on the LCD. You can use a small knife to help you, but make sure that you can keep the blade in balance so it will not make your LCD scratch. While you apply the OCA film and also polarizer film on LCD, there is one important thing that you need to think about, that is about the dust issue. So it is better to have the dust-free area for you to do this step. Like here you see, this is a medium size of the dust-free room we use here, and it has fan and the filter on the top. And this automatic OCA film laminating machine, which has the built-in pump as well. So you just need to connect with electricity. Then you can start to use this machine. First, you will use the polarized film to cover the LCD to see if it is in the right place. And then push the upper side down, and it will attach the polarized film to the other side, to the right side of your hand, to the upper side. Click the start button, it will attach the film to the LCD, and then you will put the pin in. After you put the polarizer film on LCD, the next step for you to do it is to apply the anti-static glue. Many customers do not know what is this step for. This step it is for you to avoid the static issue, because while you remove the old polarizer film on the LCD, the static that is get off as well. So after you apply with a new polarizer film, then you will use the anti-static glue to both corners and make it get connect with the polarizer film. Then after refurbish, your LCD will not have any issue about static. Sometimes the problem will like If you touch the screen, it will have colorful images, and then if you maybe put a protect film on it, it will disappear like that. And also sometimes it may affect the touch, so it depends. And this step, it is really very important for iPhone 5 versions, and also 6, 6 Plus, and 6S, 6S Plus. But just for iPhone versions. For other versions like Samsung, like Sony, like that, no need to use this step. And after you apply the static glue on the corner, it is better to wait for like minutes to wait the static to become dry. That will have more better result. And now do alignment for the OCA film. Okay. Peel off the other protected film on the polarizer. And the OCA film. Peel it slowly. Click start. Then we will use the LCD tester to test if the LCD is a good working one. Okay, let's see the touch. Okay, the pass. Then we use the alignment mode to put the new glass together with the LCD. Peel of the protect film on the OCA. Put with the new glass. And this is the new glass with base frame together. Because for iPhone 6, usually there is problem for the base frame after lamination. So there is a new part which combines the glass together with the base frame already. And then you put it on the LCD. And this kind of gold metal mold that is customized for the glass with base together alignment. This is what they call the cold press in the market. And then take it out. While you use the base frame with the glass together, then you will use this kind of the special rubber under this part, so it can protect your base frame, the metal part of the base frame. And this is the new machine we just introduced. This one which do not need air compressor and no need vacuum pump as well. And this size, it is very small. The weight for that one only is 30 kilograms. And fit for the LCDs under maybe like 7 inch. And just click one button, then it will start. And you can see that there is no other noise while it is working. See, there is no voice while this machine it is working. It is really very quiet. And for about 6 minutes, 16分钟啊，要。
5分钟。
Around 5 or 6 minutes, it will complete both the lamination process and also the bubble removal. And let's wait. The first step it will do in the vacuum lamination. It will about 1 minute, like 60 seconds.等1分钟，看看什么效果。And the setting for this machine it is really very easy. You can see that the number on the above, that is for the time. Okay, now you can hear that the vacuum lamination process it is finished, and then we will need to wait like 4 minutes for the bubble removal. Okay, now it is complete. And usually it just needs like 1 second or 2 seconds to release the air. So once you hear this kind of noise, we can open the door. And this door it is using the handles, so no need to use the locked screw. See? There is no bubbles at all, and then we test if it is a good working one.